Want to boost your brain and mood in just 1 minute? Here are science tips you can try today. Drink water right after waking up to kickstart your metabolism. Smile more. Even a fake smile releases feel-good chemicals in your brain. Feeling stressed? Take 5 minutes for deep breathing to calm your mind. Snack on a handful of nuts daily to boost brain function. Teach someone what you just learned to improve your memory. Stay in tune for part 2. Like, share and subscribe Daily Vibes 2025 for more tips.